In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords autofill. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then select All Services, Autofill, misclick, Autofill with Google, and blue switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. As you can see, after that, my switcher and all of those features are gray, which means that autofill is off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!